Emerson, do you have the hiccups? Emerson, do you have the hiccups? Let me hear you. Can you show me the hiccups? Emerson, do you have the hiccups like Mommy?